Miss Amy's math class.
Let's start off trying to factor 8x squared plus 14x plus 3. We'll be using what's called the AC method because our first step is multiplying the lead coefficient A by the constant C. For this example, we'll multiply 8 times 3, which gives us 24. Next, we'll list all the factors of 24, and we want to choose the factors that add up to our middle term. Since 2 and 12 add up to 14, I'll rewrite 14x as 2x plus 12x. Now we can factor by grouping. I'll group the first two terms together and the last two terms together. In the first group, I can factor out a 2x. And in the second group, I can factor out a 3. Now notice, in each of these groups, we have a common factor of 4x plus 1. We can go ahead and factor it out. Then we'll be left with 4x plus 1 times 2x plus 3. And that's it. We use the AC method to factor the trinomial. Now let's look at another example. We want to factor 6x squared plus x minus 2 using the AC method. Now, anytime we have a subtraction sign in algebra, we can rewrite it as plus a negative. It helps us to remember that the negative sign always sticks to the number that follows it. Since our first step is multiplying a times c, we'll multiply 6 by negative 2, which gives us negative 12. Now we want to list all the factors of negative 12 to see which ones add up to our middle term. Since 4 and negative 3 add up to 1, we'll rewrite the middle term as 4x plus negative 3x. Now we can factor by grouping. I'll group the first two terms together and the last two terms together. In the first group, we can factor out a 2x. And in the second group, we can factor out a negative 1. Notice in each of these groups, we have a common factor of 3x plus 2. We'll go ahead and factor that out, and we're left with 3x plus 2 times 2x plus negative 1. Or we can rewrite that as 2x minus 1. And that's it. We factored the trinomial again using the AC method and factoring by grouping. I hope this video helped. If it did, please give it a like or let me know in the comments.